Question 1. A development team needs to deploy a new version of their cloud application with zero downtime and the ability to quickly revert to the previous stable version if critical issues arise. They also want to test the new version with a small percentage of users before a full rollout. Which combination of deployment strategies and mechanisms would best meet these requirements? Option A. Rolling update with manual rollback. Option B. Blue/green deployment for zero downtime and canary deployment for gradual rollout and risk mitigation. Option C. Canary deployment for gradual rollout and immutable infrastructure for quick rollback. Option D. In-place upgrade with comprehensive automated testing. The correct answer is blue/green deployment for zero downtime and canary deployment for gradual rollout and risk mitigation. Here's the explanation. Blue/green deployments ensure zero downtime and easy rollback by maintaining two identical environments. Canary deployments allow for gradual rollout to a small subset of users, mitigating risk before a full release. This combination directly addresses all the stated requirements effectively. Question 2. Which of the following is a primary benefit of implementing infrastructure as code, IAC, in conjunction with immutable infrastructure practices for cloud deployments? Option A. It allows for manual configuration changes on production servers to quickly patch security vulnerabilities. Option B. It reduces the need for version control systems by ensuring all changes are applied directly in the cloud console. Option C. It ensures consistency and repeatability across environments by provisioning new, updated instances rather than modifying existing ones, thereby minimizing configuration drift. Option D. It eliminates the need for automated testing by guaranteeing infrastructure stability. The correct answer is, it ensures consistency and repeatability across environments by provisioning new, updated instances rather than modifying existing ones, thereby minimizing configuration drift. Here's the explanation. IAC defines infrastructure consistently through code, while immutable infrastructure dictates that servers are never modified after deployment. Instead, new instances with updated configurations are provisioned. This combination ensures consistency, repeatability, and significantly reduces configuration drift, which is a common source of errors. Question 3. In a robust CI/CD pipeline, at which stage should security scanning and compliance checks primarily be integrated to adhere to shift-left security principles? Option A. Only as a final step before production deployment to avoid slowing down development. Option B. Primarily during the monitoring phase, after the application is live. Option C. Throughout the entire pipeline, starting from code commit and extending through build, test, and deployment phases. Option D. Exclusively during the build phase, focusing only on static code analysis. The correct answer is throughout the entire pipeline, starting from code commit and extending through build, test, and deployment phases. Here's the explanation. The shift-left security principle advocates for integrating security practices early and continuously throughout the entire software development lifecycle. In a CI/CD pipeline, this means implementing security scanning, SAST, DST, vulnerability scanning, and compliance checks from the initial code commit through all build, test, and deployment stages, rather than as an afterthought. Question 4. According to the study material, what is the times paramount times consideration when selecting a use case for AI services? Option A. The availability of cutting-edge AI algorithms. Option B. The potential for high business value and strategic alignment. Option C. The lowest possible cost of implementation. Option D. The ability to integrate with the most cloud services. The correct answer is the potential for high business value and strategic alignment. Here's the explanation. The key features components section states business value assessment. This is paramount. It involves quantifying the potential return on investment, ROI, strategic alignment with organizational goals. Question 5. A company needs to implement a solution for sentiment analysis of customer reviews. They are considering using a pre-trained cloud API versus developing a custom machine learning model on a managed platform. Based on the study material, which approach is generally recommended for common tasks like sentiment analysis, and why? Option A. Develop a custom model, as it offers more control and better accuracy for all scenarios. Option B. Use a pre-trained cloud API, as it is typically faster, more cost-effective, and requires less ML expertise for common tasks. Option C. Develop a custom model, because pre-trained APIs cannot handle large volumes of data. Option D. Use a pre-trained cloud API, but only if the company has extensive in-house ML expertise. The correct answer is: use a pre-trained cloud API, as it is typically faster, more cost-effective, and requires less ML expertise for common tasks. Here's the explanation. The exam tips section states: build versus buy, APIs versus custom models. Understand when to use pre-trained AI services, e.g., cognitive services, recognition, Lex, for common tasks versus building custom models. Pre-trained APIs are generally faster, cheaper, and require less ML expertise. Question 6. In which phase of the use case selection methodology would an organization assess if sufficient, relevant, and high-quality data exists or can be realistically collected and prepared for an AI model? Option A. Phase 1. Problem identification and business goal definition. Option B. Phase 2. Data availability and readiness assessment. Option C. Phase 3. Technical feasibility and cloud service mapping. Option D. Phase 4. Cost-benefit analysis and ROI calculation. The correct answer is Phase 2. Data availability and readiness assessment. Here's the explanation. The How It Works section, under Phase 2, Data Availability and Readiness Assessment, explicitly describes this step. Determine if the necessary data exists, is accessible, and is of sufficient quality and quantity. Assess data cleanliness, consistency, format, and the effort required for labeling or pre-processing. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.